Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a construction apprenticeship program. Now, Jamaica has a lot of development going on. I think there's more development or construction going on in Jamaica now than at any time ever before. Hotels are being built, mega hotels. Everywhere you look, you see some massive construction projects. So, what is happening now is the labor force. Jamaica needs more construction workers. So, the government is putting in a construction apprenticeship program so that they can train people quicker and get them out into the workforce. Because, for example, one hotel or one development could take between 200 and 700 workers, depending on the phase it's in. And you have a lot of development going on outside of Kingston and St. Andrew, outside of St. Catherine. And that those three parishes, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, is where you find almost 2/3 of the Jamaican population. So places like the North Coast, Lucy, Negril, that entire stretch, it does not have enough, the population is not large enough to support a labor force for all of the construction going on. And we don't have a transport system in place where you can leave Kingston, say 6 o'clock, and reach the North Coast by 8 o'clock. It's just not going to happen. So they need to find a way to train more workers. And what's going on in Jamaica? The level of construction or the amount of construction, it's not slowing down. Jamaica is going to be building the tallest building in Jamaica, the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. And it's not only the tallest building in Jamaica, it's going to be the tallest building in the Caribbean. And it's not one tower at 28 floors, it's 4 towers. 4. So can you imagine the number or the amount of people that are needed for just that project? And there's so many others going on. 4 towers. 4. The 4 tallest buildings in the Caribbean will be in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on this apprenticeship program. The government has developed an accelerated construction apprenticeship program in partnership with construction firms to respond to the need for additional labor. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, in making the announcement in his contribution to the 2024-25 budget debate in the House of Representatives, stated that the program will include a 3-month pre-apprenticeship period. The apprenticeship aims to develop the employability skills as well as the technical competences of the participants. There will also be a 7-month immersive training where persons will be placed on a construction site for 4 days and at the Hard Trust NSTA Trust for 1 day. The Prime Minister explained that apprentices will participate in an on-the-job mentorship phase and then assessment and certification following 7 months of on-the-job exposure. This creative approach will make the training in construction more aligned to industry needs, and we will be able to put persons to work in a shorter time frame, Mr. Holness told the House. So that is the end of the update article. So this is very good, something that Jamaica needs because we can't slow down the progress. We have to expand the labor force, reconstruction. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.